Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about Google My Business and for their special hours. So let's take a quick look at what that looks like. So the special hours is when you can enter the hours for the days for a business that has an irregular schedule. Really, these are usually the minor holidays. Okay, and Google doesn't know whether you are open or not, so it gives you this option to be able to add your hours whether you're closed or open for a given day. And it is a little confusing when you first open it up in that it takes you to the oldest date. That's a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. So if we scroll down, we'll come down and currently we're seeing that let's just go ahead and do this day. So we'll go ahead and say confirm hours, and yep, we're going to be open, so we'll leave this, and it is going to be the regular business hours. So we'll just go ahead and click apply. Now, we could also, if we know that we're going to be open for Veterans Day and for Thanksgiving, we could confirm or we could change them. So let's say for Thanksgiving, we know we're going to be closed. So here, we'll just go ahead and click this, and that'll be closed. For Veterans Day, we'll go ahead and be open, so we'll leave that open. When we do this and we click apply, that will go ahead and confirm these, right? And we could continue to go on down and down and down. All right, so we'll go ahead and click apply. Now we see the new hours that we've put in here, right? Showing that it's open and it's closed. You also see here it says that it is under review. All right, so Google will take a short amount of time to do this. All right, I hope this helps. And let's get all the way back out in case you're not familiar with this. Is when you're inside of Google My Business, you would come over and click on the Info tab and then scroll down to where you see the hours starting. Okay, and it's not the hours and it's not more hours. That's on a different tutorial that you can find on our YouTube channel, but it's just below that with this little calendar icon. That's where you'll go ahead and be able to click the pencil to open that up and to be able to edit your business hours for those irregular days, those minor holidays. Right, if you need any help, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com and contact us. Thanks, and I hope this helped.